Good morning, good afternoon, guys. I hope everybody is well. I just thought I'd give a little bit of food for thought for people who are looking to stop working for someone and start pursuing something that you're interested in. I've got landscaping experience. I've done it all over the place. I pursued it. I took up the opportunity to work for myself. I started off with a cheap ass lawnmower, a cheap ass hedge trimmer, and a cheap ass strimmer, and not even a leaf blower, a brush. From that, I then picked up clients. I started upgrading everything, branched out into doing fencing, solid landscaping work, hard and soft landscaping, and it's just snowballed. It's never boring anymore, if I'm being honest. It is constantly busy. I've got 3 jobs now booked in, starting next year again already, as well as all the other work I've got booked in. I've got 3 jobs booked in. Them 3 jobs alone, financially for myself, make me more money than working 3-4 months at companies I've worked for in the past. And that's not through ripping people off. It's not. It's none of that. It's being honest, but charging what you're actually worth, what your actual time's worth, is key. I would honestly, if you've got anything you're passionate about, anything you want to pursue, I'm not saying landscape, I'm not saying gardening, if you want to be a builder, you want to be a mechanic, anything like that, if you've got the opportunity to go about it yourself, pursue it, because I guarantee, even if it doesn't work for you, the learning that you'll get from that, the learning about yourself, the opportunities that will come from it, the people that you'll meet, because you meet some very, very successful people working for yourself. It's like the universe's way of meeting you up with people, and it opens a lot of doors, a lot of learning curves. You'll make a lot of mistakes. I've done it myself. I've made countless mistakes, but I'm learning. In the process of bringing people on board working for me now, and yeah, it's just snowballing, and it's good. You've just got to take every opportunity with both hands. And honestly, one bit of advice I got given off a gentleman who was retiring when I started, he said, don't refuse jobs, take the jobs and learn. Use YouTube, all this kind of stuff. You can learn as you go along with stuff. Learn it while you're on the job. So take the job, learn it while you're, unless it's something dangerous. But if it's something that requires 2 hands and some tools, you can buy the tools, you can use your hands, and you can just learn from YouTube. Watch it. Once you've taken it in, then put it into practice. And honestly, you will not regret it. Like I said, it might not work out, but the experience you'll get doing it will be worth it. And it might even open doors that, yes, this wasn't the right thing for you right now, but moving forwards, it's opened the door that you've come in. Like, say for instance, gardening. Start off gardening, it was fantastic. Then it's not really exciting, it's a bit mundane, so you start branched off into landscaping. So you keep the maintenance as it is, garden maintenance, and then you pursue it and go a little bit more. And yes, that is worth it. I would 100% recommend pursue your goals, see what happens. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But at the end of the day, even if it doesn't, you go back to corporate life if that's what you wanted to do. You've got that to put on your CV that you've pursued something. So if I'm being honest, the one thing that I'd say take away from this is believe in yourself, focus on what you want to do. If it's something that you think you're going to be good at, give it a try. You'd be surprised, a lot of jobs that you think you need 1,000,001 different qualifications for, you don't. You can pursue stuff with second-hand tools on Facebook Marketplace and stuff. So yeah, give it a go. See how you go. If you've got any questions, any advice, you need anything, just drop me a message under here. I'll give you my honest opinion. I'll let you know what I've found works and what I found doesn't work, and go from there. Yeah, and yeah, give it a try. Let me know whether you're working for yourself, whether you want to work for yourself, all that kind of stuff. Let me know, and we will go from there. Take care, guys. Bye bye.